Hello dear, hope you are fine. Let me show you the demo of the Tasker software which I developed actually for me to seeing the market that what we needed actually. So what the functionalities it has actually this is the front side. Like when you visit the first of index page, you need to you can sign up, okay, and you can log in. I have already created a user like this, and you can enter the password like this. Okay, when you log in, you will see this form. It show you that how much ticket you have open and how much you have in progress and how much you closed. He can just open the ticket. The close and in progress section is handled by the admin. Okay. Need urgent help. What he needed, he need to select the specify like app development, flutters and others. Okay, let me choose the app development. Okay, priorities like high, medium, low, so we can assign the developer specific to the specific priority. Okay, so what I need, I need to done a app development from YouTube. Okay, so when I do this, I save it, and this is the open ticket created by this user. Okay, so he can create multiple tickets. Okay, he will see here like how much the tickets like in the status, like open have one ticket, in progress 0, and close is 0. So when he click on the subject, okay, he will see a detail of detail of this specific ticket. Okay, and he can make the messages to this. Okay, I think my internet is slow right now. I will go to the admin section later. Now I am actually on user side to show you the user section. Okay, I click on this. Okay, this is the menu. Like 71 is the ticket number, and what is the task, what is the date of created, and email like this. Okay, so now this is my message, it delivered to the admin. Okay, let me show you the admin section. This is the admin. Okay, like this, and password, I am logging now. Okay, so in the admin section, I can see that ticket. Okay, which the user created. Okay, and I also have a developer options. Okay, like I can create a developer and I can assign to the developer, and specific developer can answer this ticket. Like this is total tickets. Okay, and now let me ticket handling. First I am showing the ticket section, later I will go to inside of this admin section that what you can do. Okay, so this is the ticket now which the user is created. Okay, so when I open this, I can see this message. Okay, so actually what I can do, when I added this ticket, I can assign to the specific developer. Okay, now the assigned developer is empty. When I added this, I can also delete this. Okay, and I can also change the status of this when I sign. And one thing I missed, when the developer when the user create a ticket, the admin receive the email. Okay, and when it will be assigned to specific developer, the developer when add a reply, the users will receive a email, and when the user add a reply, the developer will receive a email. Okay, like I assign it to Irfan, PHP developer. Okay, now Irfan can log in and can reply to these tickets. Okay, he just have the ticket section. Okay, and he can see the what task assigned to it. I will show you later that what is the assigned task section. Okay, so now I'm just talking about ticket. Okay, so well, the internet is is a bit slow right now. Okay, so this is assigned to this. Okay, so now I am going to log in by developer. Okay, so this is developer and its password is this. Okay, so it have only rights to see the ticket and the assigned task which is assigned to him. Okay, so when I go to the ticket, there is an open ticket for me. Okay, this is the same, hi, I need help for this. Okay, so this section automatically refresh after 1 minute, so the messages can be received. Okay, so now I have a message like I can do this task. Okay, so when I add this reply, I can also choose the file and can add this. So mine one is white and this is the blue, like a chat is happening. Okay, so when I go to this side, it will be refreshed after 1 minute auto, but if I refresh by myself, you can see here is a message. Okay, I can also as an admin I can also reply to this ticket. So let me show you the inside things of the of this admin section, like what the admin can do. Okay. Okay, so I am going to log in by developer. Oh, sorry, by admin. Okay, now this is the admin. Actually, what I can do by admin, I can add the employees. Okay, the employees are four types. Some of which can handle the clients, like the clients who are coming, the client reminders. When the client when we need to remind to the client, okay, we receive also an email, not by admin. It will receive by a developer, by a client handling person. Okay, because there is a 4 type of users. One is for my thought, I make a marketing person, a marketing user, which have some sections to show marketing, but I am not going to explain that because I think you do not need that. I am just going to 3 developer explanation: developer, client handling person, and the admin. I think 3 users only. My internet is a bit slow. Okay, this is add employee. You can see here the rules: marketing, admin, client handling, and developer. Okay, so a developer can see only client handling, not assigned task. Which task assigned to him, he can see there. Okay, he can also check the. You can also check the overview that which task is near to delivery and how much time left to deliver. Okay, and this is the check overview is empty now. Let me show you how it's work. Like I need to show marketing flow. It will look like this. Yes, this when you see the client assigned task and will check this, it will look like this. Okay, the employee name and how much task in progress, etc., like this blue box. Okay, in this section you can see. Okay, so check assigned task, you can assign the task to the developer. Okay, and you can see here how much task assigned to this person or to the specific person. Okay, you can get the data for the specific user. And this is add project section. Okay, like you are adding the project, taken amount, left amount, client business, project cost. It's a fully system, like for the clients and for the developers. Mid party admin can handle both sides, the developers and the client, both sides. Even we can connect the developer and the client by our system. They can chat with us, but they cannot share the other information like numbers, etc. So it's very simple, to the point, to the need. Okay, and you can also email to your clients, like what clients need to be, you need to do a marketing, like how much clients you want to give a reminder. Okay, you can select all the clients, enter the body, subject, and send a mail. Okay, so other is this employee add project. Yes, it have just this, like, okay, what options I show you, it have only this, but if need any additional things, we can modify it.